Hey guys, it's Randhra once again, your yoga instructor, and today I'm here to talk about Kriyas. As known in yoga parlance, we're going to perform a few face yoga exercises. These are very handy yogic techniques that can help you remove all the sinuses from behind and around your skull, giving you clear and glowing skin. Our first one today is called Kapala Randhra Dhouti. Come join me. To practice your Kapala Randhra Dhouti, you're going to place your thumb on the temple. You can use either arms and gently glide your forefingers across your forehead in a motion just like this. Making sure that you apply very gentle pressure against your forehead. We're not pressing too hard. Just about 5 to 6 strokes and you can release. After you're done rubbing your forefingers against your forehead, you're going to bring your index finger and your middle finger to the bridge of your nose on the opposite sides. And now from here, let's begin to apply gentle pressure, bringing your fingers all the way down and around up, taking it close to your ears. And let's reverse that, this time bringing it down from your ears, coming back to the bridge of your nose. Once again, you can repeat that 3 to 4 times. And release. You will notice an instant glow on your face. It is important to know that Kapala Randhra Dhouti is performed after Jal Niti. Do make sure you look into how to practice Jal Niti and have a yoga instructor guide you instead of trying it by yourself. After performing your Jal Niti and Kapala Randhra Dhouti, you should feel your airways cleared up and also a glow in your skin, as I mentioned. Coming to our next one, which is your Karna Randhra Dhouti, you're going to insert your little fingers in your ear cavity just like this and rotate your little fingers clockwise and anti-clockwise in a movement like this. This really helps in the ear circulation and also loosens up the wax around your ears. Coming to our third and final face yoga or kriya, which is your Tratak, translating into gazing. Tratak is a kriya that has multiple benefits. Traditionally, it was practiced by the yogis not just as an eye exercise to strengthen the muscles around your eyes, but also to improve concentration. For your Tratak, what you're going to do is, for the phase 1, you're going to attempt shoulder gaze. Keeping your eyes open, looking straight ahead, you're going to now gaze over your right shoulder, trying to look far behind as much as possible. Stay there for a few seconds without blinking. Coming back to neutral, and let's gaze over the left shoulder. If you're not able to look over your shoulder, that's fine, but try to look as far as possible towards your right without blinking. Coming back to center and then towards your left. Stay there for a few seconds and coming back to center. You can repeat this about 5 times before moving forward to phase 2. Before coming to phase 2, if you notice that you're starting to tear up, trust me, that's absolutely normal. You can just rub the tears off your eyes, take a brief break and start again. There is nothing to worry about. Coming to our next Tratak or gazing, you're going to look all the way up to the ceiling, holding there for a few seconds, coming back to center and looking all the way down to the ground. Just like we did on the other side, try not to blink. Stay in the posture for about 5 seconds before you move your gaze once again. Repeating this 5 to 6 times. It's completely normal to also experience a mild headache when you're beginning with your Tratak practice. Whenever it begins to get very uncomfortable, just relax, close your eyes and start again. Tratak is excellent for purifying and strengthening the eyes, especially the muscles around the eyes. It has also been scientifically proven that Tratak improves short-sightedness and also increases your concentration and memory. Once again, looking all the way in the distance and looking to the space between your eyebrows. Release your posture, maybe blink and open your eyes a few times and release. Let me know what your experience with Tratak was. Until then, do like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thanks and see you soon. Bye-bye.